Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday the 5th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So John Cunliffe was on. He's the Bank of England Deputy Governor and he was the only member of the MPC to vote against a rate hike at the last meeting. He does not think that the bank will have to take sustained action to prevent the high inflation from becoming ingrained in the economy. Yes, inflation needs to be tackled, but he sees no valid comparison with the energy crisis in the 1970s. For those of you too young to remember, that was when OPEC limited production and quadrupled the price of oil from, get this, $2.90 a barrel to just over $11.50. Yet here we are, casually rocking $105 a barrel today. The key difference, according to Cunliffe, is that the 1970s oil crisis saw inflation rise and stay elevated, but he feels any such concerns are unfounded within the current climate. However, he did manage to crowbar a pledge of allegiance to his boss into proceedings by warning that the public should not become convinced that the high inflation needs to be countered by demanding higher pay. The difference is that when Bailey made these demands with his salary of £575,000, he's the man at the top, while Cunliffe is a relative man of the people with his poverty spec, taxpayer-funded salary of only £200,000. Hashtag relatable. Anyway, there was not much excitement in the market yesterday. Sterling drifted along either side of 131.25, which is where we opened this morning, and we're around 119.75 against the euro. Now, over in the US, there are growing concerns that we may see a recession. Granted, this wouldn't arrive until early next year, but market fears are growing that the projected hikes of about 2.5% may well slow the economy to the point of recession. We'll have the latest Fed minutes due out tomorrow, which will confirm more about who said what in the discussions preceding the last vote. And the market will be looking for clues to confirm that 50 basis points does indeed look likely. And indeed whether they will start to reduce the Fed balance sheet next time the Fed meet on May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Worth keeping an eye on this because if policy does look likely to diverge further from both the UK and the Eurozone, we could see the dollar index move a little closer to the 100 level. Yesterday it topped out at 99.10 and Eurodollar this morning opens at 109.70. Right, that's it from me. Got to go and find my dog. Join me again tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.